is that we have to relax about the recording. You don't want to go, oh my gosh, we're recording. We just have to have normal class, right? We can't get all, because if you get too stressed out about the recording, you're not thinking about the math. All right, so I know it's kind of weird that I'm wearing this thing, and I know I kind of look like Britney Spears at a concert. Maybe I don't look like Britney Spears, but maybe I resemble with the headphone thing, right? But you don't have to worry about it. We're just doing our math stuff, all right? Now, I'm looking at the Smiths. This is going to take me a while, but it won't take me too long. I'm going to get there. And I just need to get the names down. Is it Nicholas? Okay, Nicholas and Teddy, right? Am I right? Okay, Nicholas and Teddy. I'm going to get there. All right, Teddy, here's the thing. Teddy, I'm going to ask you a question. That's not right. Okay. We talked about this word in the first example. What does it mean? When you see it, what is it telling you to do? Plug in a value for the variable, and then write that expression in its simplest form, all right? So guys, take a second. Go ahead and do the first one for me real quick. It's that easy, okay? All right? You can do it in your head, I know, but take a moment and just write it down. Go through the process. Go ahead and write it down on your paper, right? Now, Alex Brown, what I like to do is I like to write parentheses like this, because later on we're going to get into some messy some long equations and stuff. So I like to put these little boxes here, parentheses, just to hold the place for my number, right? And then I'm going to put my number in. It said that x is 10, right? And that y is 4, okay? So now I can plug it in, and I've got that place held for it, because sometimes negative signs, we think, wait a minute, it was x minus y, but does the minus stand for the negative 10 that I have for the value, right? So if we keep these parentheses, that helps us keep our signs straight. So I like to do that, right? Now this isn't in its simplest form, Fritz, and we like to simplify, keep things simple. I'm not that smart. I'm not that smart. I work really hard, but you're going to learn I'm not smart at all. I'm like this wall right here, okay? So I need to simplify this. We want to keep it simple. What do I get? Did I confuse you? Oh, what is it? Simplest form. It's not, yeah, and what is it? In teaching terminology, this is called wait time. You want to wait and give someone a chance to answer, because they're thinking about things, and I've been talking really fast, and some people can get confused as I'm talking quickly because they're trying to stay up with the speed of my voice. Simplest form, remember, we want to write this in another way that's simpler. What is this? 10 plus 4. What does it equal?
14.
Exactly. Thank you, Fritz. Perfect. This is the simpler expression of 10 plus 4. I could have written this as 6 plus 4 plus 4, right? That's another way of expressing 14. I could do 2 times 3 plus 2 times 4. Is that right?
Yeah.
Is that right? Does that give me 14, right? I got 2 3s and 2 4s. I could do that. How about this? 2 times 3 plus 2 times 2 squared. Right? That's going to give me 14 also. Yeah? But this isn't simplest form. To simplify, we like that number, right? Because I need it simple. If you write that, I'm going to, I don't know, go get a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, because I just can't handle it. All right? We're good there. Zach, right? I was talking about to Alex a moment ago that I like to put parentheses to hold their place. I did the same thing over there, but this is a different problem, isn't it? Okay, so tell me what do I put here? 10 there, because that's the place for the x, right? And what do I put here? Good. Now that's not in simplest form, is it, Fritz?
No.
It's not. Good. Hang on to that. Liam, what is this in its simplest form? 40, right? Whenever I have numbers separated by parentheses, I'm going to multiply them, all right? Thank you, Zach. Thank you, Liam. Thank you, Fritz, for keeping us straight. Everybody good there? Questions there real quick? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. See, when I've got you guys helping me,